Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our new chapter in science, which is unit number 2, chapter number 5, the human body. In your previous class, you learned that our body has many parts. Each part has a name. Each part of our body is different and useful, right? We learnt about outside part of our body like eyes, nose, skin, arms, legs, etc. These are called our external parts of the body. But do you know there are many parts which are inside the body. They are called as internal part of the body like stomach, brain, heart, lungs, kidney, intestine, etc. Students, our body is made of 100 different parts or organs. It is called a complex living machine. The different parts of the body perform a definite function. They are known as organs. Students, organs can be internal or external both. The internal organs are present inside the body. We cannot see them like stomach, heart, lungs, brain, etc. These are internal organs. And the external organs are on the outer side of the body like skin, nose, legs, arms, etc. etc. These are known as external organs. Do you know why? Because each part of our body does a special work for us and all of them work together. Example, while you are playing, you use hands and legs, right? There are different parts, but we use both in the same time. These all organs form the organ system. So student, let's learn about some organ system which is inside our body, right? So first one is digestive system. The digestive system is belong to the mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine and large intestine. We take in and chew food in the mouth, right? After that, the food goes through the food pipe into the stomach. From the stomach, the food first passes through the small intestine and after that it goes in large intestine. As the food passes from the mouth to the small intestine, it is changed so that the body can use it. This is known as digestion. So, this is our digestive system which is inside our body. We cannot see it from outside. Our next system is respiratory system. Students, first, take a big breath in, hold it and breathe out. Now you tell me, how can you do this activity? Yes, because of your respiratory system. The nose, windpipe and lungs help us to breathe in and breathe out air. Together, these organs form the respiratory system. We all know our body needs oxygen. We take oxygen and release carbon dioxide, right? This all process is made in respiratory system. Now, our third system is circulatory system. The heart is the central organ for pumping the blood throughout the body. The heart, the arteries, the veins form the circulatory system. Our heart is a pump, right? Our heart is divided into two sides. One is right side and second is left side. Heart pumps liquid blood. The heart works like a pump all the time. It sends blood to the whole body through tubes. The pumping action of the heart make the sound lub-dub, 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 lub-dub. If you place a ear to your friend's chest, you can hear a sound that goes lub-dub, 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 right? The lub-dub sound that you hear is made by heart. The heart is in the chest region. We all know that. The heart pushes the blood into narrow tubes called arteries. Arteries carry blood to every part of the body. Blood from all parts of the body flows back to the heart through tubes called vein. We can see this in this picture. So this is called circulatory system. Now our next system is excretory system. Students, the waste in the body collects in the blood. The excretory system cleans the body blood from removing this waste. The two kidneys remove waste from blood in the form of urine. There is a bladder. We passes our waste through urine. This is called excretory system. It removes all the waste from our body. So student, in this video we learned about some internal organs of our body, some internal organ system in our body like digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system. There are other organ system too in our body. We will learn about them in second video. Thank you.